What's up, it's your boy Holy. I was probably hella loud, my bad. But what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're just gonna be making a beat. I don't really know what type of beat we're gonna make yet, but it just you'll know from the title. So yeah, before we get into the video, this video is sponsored by Canary Jewels. So let me tell you about this kit. This kit comes with 200 samples, 250 midis for drums, melodies, counter melodies, all of that, chord progressions, everything. And then there's even vocals, vocal runs, ad-libs, textures, chants, all of that. So if you really just feel like you need new sounds, make sure you go get this. Link will be in the description and it'll be in the top comment. So make sure you go check that out. And we're gonna be using it in this video. So I'm gonna show you guys what you can do with it. So I have a bunch of one-shots picked out from Bass One's Rogue one-shot kit. I'm gonna be using this production toolkit from Canary Jewels. I'm gonna use a MIDI and just get a chord progression, and then we're gonna add a little top melody, play it on the MIDI keyboard, and then yeah. So let's find something. This MIDI's already fire, like it's crazy. So that's a cool little thing we can do right there. And then we're probably just gonna try to make chords out of this. Okay, then we need to Alt R and then Alt X and lower the velocities. And make the chords out of these. So now we're gonna pitch it back down, put it down an octave. Honestly, the point of this video is not to be like showing you guys how to make melodies. I'm trying to show you more of how I put together a melody sound selection wise, and my process in it. So like after I have a main melody, I'll go and usually want to find a bass. So I'm gonna go find some type of bass, and I might use a plugin. Like some good plugins are like Analog Lab, Juno 106 has some cool basses if you know how to use filters on synths. A lot of older synths like Legend, what else? Omni has some cool ones, but it's mainly in Trillion if you have that expansion. If you don't have any of those, you can just go get a one-shot kit somewhere. Also, Contact. Oh, we might use Contact for this one. Contact has a super cool one. Rickenbacker bass. This joint slaps, low-key, live-sounding bass. We might try to play this on the piano just for fun. We're gonna copy the bass line, and then we're just gonna play stuff over it. So now I'm gonna single out the chords and then, oops. Or at least just take out most of the notes. So I don't want it to take up like too much. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take out the low, pitch it up one, half time it after I grab this reverb. And then it sounds weird now, but I think I can add delay and it'll kind of cover up those choppy parts. The sound we just added doesn't have to be like a full sound. It's really just there for texture. We want that main melody to still like shine. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bell and we're gonna throw kind of the same preset from 20 on to 22, aka the bell we just selected. And that's what the bell sounds like. Honestly, we're just gonna turn that down. I have to be super far in the back. See what this sounds like. That sounds kind of fire. Just kind of play like chords on the bottom. That sounds kind of fire. And then we're gonna move the timing and then track it out. So now you put everything there, and then you're gonna figure out how you want it to pan out. All right, let's see how we can flip this sample real quick. I'm just gonna add the kicks in now. Alright, so I'm gonna have to go fix something in the sample, unfortunately, real quick, so I'm gonna skip past that. I'm just gonna add effects to the drums, probably just a little bit of reverb and stuff, and then play you guys a beat. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys learned something. Shout out to Canary Jewels and the Sample Chef for the sponsor. Make sure you go check out that product. Link will be in the description and the top of the comments, so make sure you go check it out. I will be doing giveaways for the people that go subscribe to the second channel. Link for that will be in the description. All my beats and stuff will be posted there, so make sure you go check it out. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.